Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System and Updates. Then Language and Input, your current keyboard, and Themes. Over here, click on Custom and tap on Start. Then click Add Image and pick one of the pictures by clicking on it. Over here you can adjust it, and when you're done, adjust also background darkness by swiping left or right. Now tap Done at the top right corner and click on the switchers next to keyboards and symbols to enable or disable them. When you're done, click Save at the top right corner. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!